Want to look flawless, young and beautiful naturally without using any makeup? So if your skin is healthy from the inside out, you will automatically have a natural clear glow on your face. You don't need any makeup products to conceal it. For those who don't like wearing makeup, just try the 7 tricks as part of your daily routine and see your complexion bloom effortlessly. Follow 2 minutes facial massage before bed. For massaging your face, you can use any face massage roller. Massage gives a beautiful luster to the skin. It also tones and relaxes the underlying muscle tissues. It increases the flow of oxygen to the tissues. It is rejuvenating and preserves youthful qualities. Do the downward facing dog pose, one of the simplest technique to get naturally glowing youthful skin and a toned body. So hold this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you are a beginner, hold it for 30 seconds and then you can gradually increase to 1 minute. Pose, ensure that you are breathing freely and naturally. This posture increases the blood flow to your facial region that helps in flushing out toxins, improving skin complexion and treating acne. So every morning start your day with a glass of lemon, turmeric and honey water. This drink works inside out. Honey gives you a boost of energy. It is rejuvenating and antibacterial. Turmeric is anti-aging and also antibacterial. It helps maintain clear and ageless skin. Lemon cleanses, detoxifies your body. Vitamin C fight free radical damage and helps maintain a healthy glowing skin. Make sure that you cleanse, tone and moisturize your skin twice to thrice in a day. Use an exfoliating scrub twice in a week to remove dead skin cells and for clear flawless glow. You can add a pinch of rice powder, coffee powder, Fuller's Earth to a regular face wash. The one that I'm adding over here is my all-time favorite deep cleansing glow powder. The link to this recipe I've shared in the description box below. When you have dark circles, you need a concealer to conceal it. So if you want to look naturally beautiful, then you have to get rid of those unpleasant dark circles. So take a little amount of aloe vera or cucumber gel, add a tiny drop of almond oil or vitamin E oil, mix well and apply to the under eye area. Every day massage this gel right before bedtime. Lips are super dark and pale and you want to make it look naturally pink or you want to lighten it, then use a drop of honey on your lips or massage olive oil or shea butter on your lips. Follow this twice in a day. If still you want to apply any lipstick, use a tinted lip balm. You can go for this lip balm. It is really good and it's filled with the goodness of natural ingredients. So if your eyebrows and eyelashes are naturally thick, you don't have to use a mascara or eyeliner. To grow your lashes thick and dark, start using castor oil or olive oil. Just apply it on your eyebrows and eyelashes. Follow this before bedtime. Thick and dark eyebrows and eyelashes makes you look naturally beautiful. Follow the 7 tricks and say hello to naturally beautiful skin without using any makeup.